This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Miguel Santuste. Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Call 832-553-8300 to start now. Gorgeous 4-bedroom home with 3 full baths now available and priced below market value. Home features: huge open floor plan and high ceilings. Kitchen has island, huge cabinets and walk-in pantry which offers plenty of storage space. Large floor-to-ceiling windows in the living room for plenty of natural light which helps save on energy bill. Home also features 3 smart light switches that can be operated via mobile phone and door locks can be operated remotely as well. Upgrades: new roof in 2018, new sprinkler controller 2019, new front gate with combo entry and new mailbox. Versatile room by front door that can be used as an office, exercise room, or extra bedroom.